It look like we ain't gonna be able to have that cookout today, man. It's cloudy outside, like it's about to rain and everything. I wish there was a way to change the weather. Well, who are you? They call me Brother Nature. I'm the half brother of Mother Nature. See, I can make it rain and storm. I can make a ferocious hurricane come. Brother Nature and you control the weather. Okay. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't think you exist because I didn't even think Mother Nature exists. I didn't think Mother Nature was a real person. Basically, my brother, when Mother Nature is sick or on vacation, I take her place. I'm the second in command for the weather. Oh yeah. I gonna make it shine outside. Hold on, one second, go see. You know when I bust out the Jerry Curl juice, you know what, brother? Ooh, have to get loose. Put your money where your mouth is and make it shine outside then. Watch this. I appreciate you. Now, Brother Nature has to go, but if you ever need to ring my line, all you gotta do is leave out a bottle of Jerry Curl juice and say my name 3 times. Hey, wait a minute, where you come from? Who, me? Oh, I came with Brother Nature. I'm his piano guy. But you don't even have a piano. I did it with my computer.
Genesis, cause even if I were to blow it won't work cause I'm spitting it. This shit is different. I'm nothing like these niggas spitting and I'm an achiever. And I'm about to make you a believer. I'm about to make you a believer. A believer.